adding viral slow motion effect to your video in Higgsfield AI. So what you want to do is once you open Higgsfield, click on video. Now over here, it gives you access to all the presets you want. Now over here on preset, you can see the search option. Click on it and write slow. So any option that has slow motion in it will be shown. So write slow motion. Now once you write slow motion, you can choose whichever slow motion preset you want. You can go to different AI over here to see the different slow motion prompt. I'm just gonna search for it again, or I'm just gonna remove the space and search for it again, and let's see. And over here, it got that famous slow motion one. Look at this. This is the viral one. Now, this is the viral right now. In the future, something different is going to be viral. So just search for it, and whatever one you like, you can click on it, and it's going to show up over here. Now you can upload your video or image over here. Click on generate, and it's going to create a video similar to this slow motion out of whatever image you entered over here. Now you can also go on the explore page at the top, and from here scroll down and explore different kinds of videos and choose from it. You can go down even more if you like, and there's going to be even more videos over here, so you can just click on it. Once you click on it, it gives you all the details. So it used C dance, 4K, high, and stuff, all the information with all the prompt. You can copy it, or you can just click on recreate to recreate the exact video but with your image. So just keep that in mind. So subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.